Good morning, welcome to Kingsbridge. My name's Harry. I'm just going to show you around this absolutely lovely 2021 Audi A1 Sportback. This is the 2 litre 207 horsepower variant with the automatic gearbox. It's one owner, full Audi service history, and it's done just under 9,000 miles, and it's got an absolutely mega spec on this thing. Obviously finished in Glacier White, so it's got the technology pack, the comfort and sound pack, the nice alloy wheels, just about everything apart from the pan roof. LED headlights. Oh, where's my focus gone? These lovely 18-inch polished alloy wheels with Goodyear tyres. The condition of this car is absolutely lovely. Don't like saying cars are like new, but this one pretty much is exactly that. The interior still smells new, to be honest with you. All the seats in absolutely lovely condition. Ever so slight creasing on the driver's bolster, but you would expect that. Comfort and sound pack with the Bang & Olufsen premium sound. Back of this car, I'm not sure it's ever been sat in, to be honest with you. The overall condition of this is just absolutely lovely. It's just going on to the boot. Again, I mean, it's like brand new, still with the Audi added oil in there as well. Spare tyre, which is rare to find these days. I've got reversing camera, obviously rear parking sensors, little diffuser on the back. But to find one of these one owner, this kind of spec, full Audi service history in this condition, not an easy task. Looks amazing. Very nice little car, this. Jumping on into the interior, you've got the flat bottom steering wheel with the paddle shifts on each side. Some gloss black and sort of honeycomb aluminium trims in there. Adjustable armrest in the centre. And you obviously got the all-important Audi virtual cockpit with your full map displays. There's loads of different displays you can have on there and change the views and things like that. Your radio and whatever else. Consumption there for nearly 50 miles to the gallon out of a 2 litre petrol with 207 horsepower. Very, very nice little thing. So on there you've got all the usual bits that you would expect: satellite navigation, DAB, Bluetooth, etc. And obviously the all-important Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. If you go into car, you've got your various drive mode selects on here, where you can change even the suspension in this one. And then going back again, if you just go into driver assistance, lane departure warning, speed warning, presets, and then servicing intervals. The next one is due for not some time yet, July next year, or 9,000 miles. So plenty of time until anything like that needs doing. And down here you've got dual climate control, heated seats, not that we need them today, your drive mode selects, stop start, parking sensors, and again this one is fitted with the reversing camera. Down here, little wireless charger for your mobile phone, couple of USB-C ports. Again, this is the automatic, some volume and skip controls there. Cruise control, speed limiter. Again, this is the flat bottom steering wheel in this one. Then automatic lights, wipers, auto dimming rear view mirror, electric heated folding door mirrors. Again, more Bang & Olufsen speakers around the cabin in each corner. Another couple in there. S embossed leather and fabric seats. Black roof lining. Very nice little car, this. Another one that I don't imagine will stick around very long. It's very hard to find with that level of spec with the right engine in there. But if you are interested in this, we'll put a link to the full advert in the description box below. If you'd like to get in contact with one of the team here, we'll be more than happy to help. If you're enjoying the videos, like the kind of cars we get in, please consider subscribing. You'll get an idea of all these cars that we get, being very, very high spec, generally speaking, one or low owners, full manufacturer or specialist histories, in the right colour combinations. But hope you enjoy this one, and we shall see you on the next one. Cheers for watching.